Good morning. So today I'm working on the Firebird, 6.7 Firebird, and I am working on prepping the car for the panels. So rocker extension, torque box right here, and floor extension, or floor patch panel. So I've got to get the panels marked where they're going to go, and I've got to get them drilled and prepped with weld-through primer, and then I've got to get inside there and I've got to get the inside panels prepped so that they won't rust down the road. They got a little surface rust and scale on them right now, so I'm going to grind that out, and then I'm going to put some port 15 and some rust encapsulator converter in there. So I also have the rocker panel needs some love, so I got to work on that too. So not a shortage of things to do to prep the car, so I'm going to get at it and get some prep work done. Stick with me. Okay, so I got this panel prepped. This one gets butt welded in, so there's no holes to drill. When I put it up there and put it in place, like this has to get moved over. I will put some screws in it, and then I will cut it so it can be butt welded, and that'll get butt welded in. So got to get this panel up and done first. So next up, get that one. You can see I got a bunch of holes to drill, but on the back side I've got to get this all prepped in here for weld-through primer. So that's what I'm doing now. Time for me to buy some new screws. I am just about out of sharp screws. You can only use these things so many times. All right, so that's about as far as I'm going to get today. Need to get some more screws. My screws are spread across the Cuda and the Firebird, and all I've got left is dull ones. So time to go get some more screws, make a run to Mid-State and pick up some more screws so that I can get this done. But I'm close to being where I can weld in this rocker extension. So you can see I got most all the locations that I wanted screwed in. Just got along here to do, but I got to move the jack stand to do it. So I'm going to get all this done first and then slide the jack stand down a little bit so I can weld this bracket to the to the rocker. And then it'll be nice and solid. So then I'll come in here and I'll start remove a screw, weld it, remove a screw, weld it, every other. Here it's right to the edge, so I'm going to end up stitching this. I can't go any further this way because my dimension from the rocker out to the corner is right where it's got to be. So, you know, I'm at my end right there. There's nothing else I can do. So, all right, well, that's it for today. Thanks for joining. Catch you on the weld-in.